Escape the ordinary and step into Casa Plano, a stunning beach house designed for relaxation and connection. This isn't your average vacation home filled with unnecessary extras. Casa Plano is all about maximizing comfort and creating a space where families can truly unwind. Built with simplicity in mind, the house is a single-story layout that stretches along the beachfront. This clever design allows for maximum use of the space, ensuring everyone has a place to relax and enjoy the view. The heart of the house is a spacious social area formed by the concrete slab. This open area not only provides shelter for cars but also serves as a welcoming entrance. Look closely, those suspended flower pots create a charming patio that offers a touch of privacy without sacrificing natural light. Step inside and feel the connection with nature. Three sides of the social area are lined with expansive windows, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. This creates a sense of openness and allows the family to fully immerse themselves in the beauty of the surroundings. The living and dining areas are cleverly connected by a sleek metal bookshelf, providing a functional space without obstructing the stunning views. The kitchen itself serves as the heart of the home, with clear sightlines to all the important areas: the entrance, the patio, the living room, the back porch, and of course, the pool. Floor-to-ceiling windows and continuous flooring seamlessly integrate the back porch with the social area, creating a spacious and inviting environment for gatherings. This feeling of connection extends to the private areas as well. The beauty of Casa Plano lies in its simplicity. The exposed concrete slab sets the stage for the rest of the materials. Wood cladding on the exterior extends to some of the furniture, while light linen upholstery and brushed Piranha marble in the kitchen add touches of elegance and warmth. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home.